A powerful layout doesn't just look good, it controls where your eyes move first. Today, how to create directional storytelling frames. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally across the canvas to create natural movement. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully to maintain continuity. Select the background and apply a soft gradient that follows the same directional flow. Add thin arrows or line accents with reduced opacity to subtly guide attention. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce energy while preserving balance. Use position tools to align everything while maintaining the storytelling structure. Add minimal text